Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to bring you some quick tea on the James Charles situation. So I woke up to a tweet in my timeline from Cardi B, which had been retweeted by Gabriel Zamora. But before I get into that, let's check the numbers. I did wake up to see that all was right in the world. James has now fallen below Jeffrey in subs, and so therefore the rightful order has been restored. Tati is over 8 million, and Gabriel is nowhere near the million that he thought he would be getting so soon. So, like I said, Gabriel retweeted this tweet from Cardi B, which said, "A friend that tells your business over a dispute was never your friend." A few fans responded to that, and then Cardi B responded with the tweet that said, "I'm looking at these comments and I don't know who the F y'all are talking about." One fan said, "I highly doubt that Cardi B knows who James is," but another fan said, she does know that. And T-Girl, I think she does know that. They were both just at the Met Gala the other week. Here's a picture of Cardi B with her beautiful dress. I think James might be one of the people in the background that was hired to carry her train. Then here's a picture of James when he got free from his valet duties. This fan points out that, at least according to Tati, she never would have made her video about James if Gabby hadn't made his video shading her. This one says it's ironic that Gabriel retweeted this, and somebody else says he refuses to admit being wrong in this situation and they're patiently waiting for my truth. Second edition, which, girl, I think that might be in the works. What do you think? Was Gabriel right or wrong to get involved, and was Cardi B shading James Charles? Now, I have to cut this video short because I am going to celebrate Mother's Day with my family. Speaking of family, these people talk about how embarrassing and disgusting it was to speak about the things that James allegedly spoke about with Tati and her family at the dinner table. What do y'all think about that? I know that personally mouths would be washed out with soap if that conversation took place today at Mother's Day brunch. You guys, thank you very much for watching. Sorry for such a short video. I will catch y'all very soon.